Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Anmol Fatma. I am a foundation level student at Rehan School at Campus Islamabad. So today my TDEx review. So let's start it. Today I want to talk about an inspiring message from Moving Forward by Jannat Ali. Life is a struggle filled with ups and downs. Sometimes we face difficulties for years and ep- disappointment that take us feel like giving up, but the most important thing is to keep is to keep moving forward. Every challenge teaches us a lesson, and every mistake helps us grow. Success does not happen for night overnight. It 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 comes through patterns, hard work, and disappointment. With things don't go according to plan, don't lose hope, believing in yourself and trust the process. Remember that even the struggles and most successful person face it ob- obstacles before achieving the goals. Make Take one step at a time, stay focused for focused on your dreams and never stop learning. Your future is created by the choice you make today. So stay positivity. Stay positive, stay moving, and keep moving forward no matter that happens. So viewer, this is my TEDx review. Hope you like it. Meet you in my next video. Pakistan Zindabad. Khuda Hafiz.